morning students. Today our topic is Indian states. You know how many Indian states? We have 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay? And our India got, firstly we will discuss previous about our India. Okay? Our India got independence 15 August 1947. 15 August 1947. And before that, here Britisher rules were there. Okay, Britisher people came in our India and they have ruled here. Okay, up to 200 years. Clear? But we got independent 15 August 1947, and after that now our India is a democratic country. Okay. In the world, our India is the largest democratic country, and we elected our government. Okay, means common people having the right to vote. Okay, they can give their vote without any discrimination. Without any discrimination means no any discrimination behalf of the caste, gender. Okay, clear? And now our India is a democratic country, and 26 Jan 1950, that day India became a republic. Means 26 Jan 1950 our constitution was implemented that day. That's why we are celebrating 26 Jan, okay, as a republic day. Clear? And number 2, government. How many types of government in our India? You know? How many types of government in our India? Our India is a very big country. Okay? 28 states and 8 union territory. That's why it's not possible only one type of government is running in our India. Clear? That's why two forms of government in our India. Okay? 2 types government running in our India. Which are, you know, which are these government? One, central level, central government, and number 2, state government. Central government means in whole country only one government is there, like that our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, means central level government having the responsible for the whole country. Okay, and state government is responsible for only state. Firstly, central government means they making laws. Okay, that type of laws implement in the whole country. Clear? And PM Modi, okay, Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi, making the rules for whole country, and he is responsible for the whole country. But state government is only responsible for the state. Okay, and all ministers, Prime Minister, President, they are living in Delhi. Delhi is our capital. Okay. Before 1911, our capital is here, Kolkata. But after 1911, now our capital is New Delhi. Clear? Many official buildings are also in Delhi, like that Rashtrapati Bhavan, okay, Parliament House, and Prime Minister, President, all ministers, they are also living in Delhi. Clear? State government. State is, who is the head of state? Chief Minister. You know who is the Chief Minister of Haryana? Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar. Okay? Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar. And 28 states in our India, each state having its own government. Clear? Like that in our Haryana, BJP is going on, running, sorry, and in Punjab now Congress. Clear? But in the center, only BJP. Clear? State government, who is the head of state government? Chief Minister and Governor having the power also. Clear? And all officers, the central government are living in New Delhi, and state, our India is divided in many states, and each state having its own capital and own government. Clear? And this is the responsibility for the state government to look after to the welfare of the people. Clear? After that, now union territory. Firstly, I have told you how many states? 28 states. 8 states and 8 union territories. Before that, beta, 29 states in our India. But 6 August 2019, 370 articles was in the Jammu Kashmir, that was replaced. Okay? And Jammu Kashmir is also counted in the state. And one union territory is also added in this, now Leh. Okay? State government done, union territory. Why it's called union territory? Our Delhi is the capital of India, it's also called union territory. Why it's called union territory? Because some differences is here, okay? Like that state government is responsible for the all responsibilities, all having or for the state only, okay? But union territories administrative system, like the police under the control of Prime Minister. Clear? We having 8 union territories. These are given in your book and you have to read it. Okay? After that, which is the largest union territory? Andaman Nicobar is the largest union territory and Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. Clear? And the states. States also they have given a list in your book, okay? You will try to learn these, okay? With the capital also. And state government, we have done already. And 4 states name also they have given. Rajasthan is the largest state in India according to area. According to area, largest state in India, Rajasthan, and the smallest, Goa, okay? But according to population, Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in our India and lowest Sikkim. Sikkim is the lowest population in India. Clear? After that, how we have done already government, 2 types of government, central level, state level. Central level government is responsible for the whole country and the state level government is responsible for the state. Clear? And you have to try book work of also this lesson. Okay, take care. Thank you.